Hi friends, this video shows how to lock profile in Netflix TV app. Actually, in TV app, you could not find an option to lock profile, but we can lock profile. We can create a password for the profile using Netflix mobile app. First, install Netflix mobile app. I already installed. Let me open. Then we need to log into same account. Here you can enter username and password and login. Then select your profile. Then tap on this My Netflix icon over here. Tap on these three lines on top right corner. Go to Manage Profiles. Then select your profile that you want to lock. And here you can see Profile Lock. Tap here. Then tap on Create Profile Lock. Here we need to enter the password of Netflix account. Okay, done. Then tap on Enter. Here we can select the password for the profile. Let me select 1212. Save. Done. Pin updated. Let me test. See, right now I am in Netflix children account. Let me try to switch to the profile that I have logged. Let me switch to the Sam profile. See, it's asking for the pin. So here I have to enter the pin. Then only I can switch. See. So this way we can lock profile. We can try this. If you want to delete this lock, you can tap on this delete profile lock. You can see that option over here. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.